children, today we will start with our new topic, Roman numerals. Roman numerals you had studied last year also. You might be remembering, some of you might be remembering, some of you might have forgotten. No problem. Today we will deal with this topic once again. So first of all, what do we mean by Roman numerals? Roman numerals is nothing but a way of representing numbers. Like you represent numbers usually like this. And so these type of numbers are called Hindu-Arabic numbers. Hindu-Arabic numbers. The numbers which usually we deal with. They are Hindu-Arabic numbers. Roman numbers is a little different style of representing numbers where we use letters for representing the numbers. Like for 1 we use I, for 5 we use V, for 10 we use X, for 50 we use L, for 100 we use C, 500 we use D, and 1000 we use M. These are the letters which are used, and based on these numbers we can write as many big numbers as we want. In fact, up to 15,000 or even more than that. Okay children, so these are the Hindu-Arabic number and their Roman number. First of all, you should know this. 1 is represented as I, 5 is represented as V, 10 as X, 50 as L, 100 as C, 500 as D, and 1000 as M. This is the first thing that you have to remember. Now, how to write the numbers? So we will study some rules regarding these Roman numerals. Okay children, one by one we will study some rules. So the very first rule is Roman numbers can be repeated. Suppose I have to write 1, I will write I. If I have to write 2, I will write double I. If I have to write 3, I will write triple I. If I have to write 4, I cannot write I. This is wrong. Okay children? Means from this we can see that if a Roman number is repeated, the very first thing, this means it is an addition. 1 plus 1, 2. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. So if a Roman number is repeated, that means it is addition. First thing. Second thing is, we cannot repeat a number for more than 3 times. We cannot repeat it for 4 times. किसी भी रोमन नंबर को हम 3 बार से ज़्यादा रिपीट नहीं कर सकते. We can write 1, then double I as 2, triple I as 3, but for 4 we cannot use 4 I's. So this is the first rule, that a Roman number can be repeated only 3 times, up to 3 times only. A Roman number cannot be repeated for more than, cannot be repeated for more than 3 times. 3 times. First rule. Your first rule is that a Roman number, if it is repeated, repetition means addition. If it is repeated, means it is addition. Repetition means addition. The numbers are added, and a number cannot be repeated for more than 3 times. Plus, I have told you, we use I, V, X, C, L, C, D and M. These 7 letters we are using for representing Roman number. But regarding the repetition, one more rule is there, that I can be repeated. For 1 we can write I, 2 and 3. X can be repeated. X means 10. So for 20 we use double X. For 30 we use 3X. Okay children? Then we can repeat C also. C means 100. For 200 we write double C, and for 300 we write triple C. M can be repeated. M means 1000, double M means 2000, and triple M means 3000. So I, X, C and M can be repeated. V, L and D cannot be repeated. अगर हमें 10 लिखना है तो हम VV नहीं लिखेंगे, 15 के लिए we will not write VVV. If we have to write 100, we will not write LL, 50 plus 50. No. The repetition, 5 is not repeated, L cannot be repeated and D cannot be repeated. Remember this thing, children. So regarding repetition, there are three things. कि अगर कोई रोमन नंबर रिपीट हो रहा है उसका मतलब एडिशन है. कोई रोमन नंबर 3 टाइम्स से ज़्यादा रिपीट नहीं हो सकता. और अगर हमें 3 लिखना है तो हम रिपीट 1 1 1. इसको हमने I को 3 बार रिपीट कर लिया. 30 में X को 3 बार रिपीट कर लिया. 300 में C को 3 बार रिपीट कर लिया. 200 में 2 बार रिपीट कर लिया. 1000 में M को 3 बार रिपीट कर लिया. मगर 3 टाइम्स से ज़्यादा हम रिपीट नहीं कर सकते. So the first thing is if repetition means addition, a number cannot be repeated for more than 3 times, and only I, X, C and M can be repeated. V, L and D cannot be repeated. This is your first rule, children. Go through it. In the next video I will explain you another rule. Thank you, children.